Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to create a linear pattern using SolidWorks software. In order to make a linear pattern, first we have to go to the feature tab. You can see on the left hand side of the screen features is there. So just click on features, here is sketch and here is features. Just click on features and then go towards linear pattern. As we are going to make a linear pattern, so we'll go towards linear pattern. On the If you click on the drop down of linear pattern, you can see the many types of pattern: linear pattern, circular pattern, mirror, curve driven pattern, sketch driven pattern, table driven pattern, fill pattern, variable pattern. Today we are more interested in linear pattern, because as we are going to make a linear pattern, so we'll click on linear pattern. So as you click on linear pattern, you can see a drop down comes on the left hand side of the screen. You can see linear pattern is mentioned, and you have to fill up the data in order to create a linear pattern. Now, how to create a linear pattern? First of all, you can see over here it's mentioned direction 1. Direction 1 is nothing in the direction, it is the direction in which you want to make a linear pattern, or the copies of this cutout, the rectangular cut extrude or rectangular cutout. Okay, the copies of which you're going to make a cutout. So as you can see, the direction for the in order to select the direction, first I have to select the edge in which I want the edge in which I want the direction. So I want a direction, I'm going to select this edge. Okay, and then you can see a direction 1 spacing is 2 inches and instances is number 5. So accordingly you can adjust. So I've taken a spacing of 2 inches between two instances or between two copies, and number of instances are 5. Okay, now uh, now I will go towards features and faces. So I have to, in order to make a linear pattern, how will the SolidWorks software know of which feature I'm supposed to make a linear pattern? So first I'll go to features and faces, and from there I will select, like I'll select cut extrude, select 1, select 2. Now whole rectangular cutout has been selected. Now you can change the direction also. See direction 1, before below it's written, if you click arrow mark is there, if you hover over the arrow mark, it's written, you can see it's written over there reverse direction and edge 1. So if I reverse the direction, it will go outside the model, so I don't want like that. So again I click on it, so it comes inside the model. So it's perfect now. Now I have got the, what you say, the instances on this direction, the direction 1. Now I want instances in the direction 2 also, in order to fill up this grid. So what I'll do, I'll go to direction 2. Okay, yeah, for direction 2 I have to select the edge. So I am going to select the edge, I'm going to select this edge. Okay, see now direction is where, as you can see, it's in the opposite direction outside the model. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this one, the arrow, and reverse the direction. Now you can see the spacing is 1.25 inches and number of instances are 6. You can see the spacing 1.25 and inches, and number of instances 6. How it is 6? You can count 1 2 3 4 5 6. And in direction 1, how many instances you have? See, the spacing is the spacing is 2 inches, and the number of instances are 5. It can be, you can call it instance also, or copies. So you can count from here 1 2 3 4 5, and the number of copies and number of instances will depend on the dimension of the model, so you have to calculate accordingly. Now if I go on the top, on the green check box, on the green check, I will just green tick, I'll click OK. The model has been created. Suppose you want to remove some of the instances or delete some of the instances, so what will you do? So go back again to LP pattern, linear pattern, as you can see over here. Click on it, edit feature, and go down. See, go down, you can see over here, it's written instances to skip. Just click on this one, and then just click on the points These are not points, but actually the centroid. Just click on the centroid of the cutout. See, this instances will be deleted. Now it is deleted. These instances I wanted to delete, so it has been deleted. So again, I'll go on the green tick mark and click OK. Now as you can see, the linear pattern has been created using SolidWorks software. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can always comment, and please like, comment and subscribe on my video. Thank you.